Hi, I'm Alison from Bag Ladybird Learn to Sew. Today I'm going to be showing you a really quick top tip for when you're cutting out patterns to stop you cutting out the wrong line. Sometimes it can get a bit confusing when there's lots of different lines to cut out, so I'm going to show you what I do and what I tell all my students to do in lessons to reduce the risk of errors. So I've got my trusty highlighter here, so all I'm going to do on all the pattern pieces is go around and draw around the size 18 line and all the lines that I'm going to cut on for this pattern. So that's the cropped version, that's where you cut. See here the line for the cropped version, and then the size 18 line, that's what size I'm making for myself. I'm going to draw around that on all the pattern pieces before I cut out. So it just makes it easier, particularly where lines cross over, which they don't on this pattern, but if you have a pattern where all your lines are crossing over and creating confusion, then just highlighting the lines before you cut makes life much easier. So that when you've got a pair of scissors in your hands and you are querying which line you should be cutting, you've already made that decision with your highlighter. So it just simplifies things so much. So where you've got a solid line, you can just do a little highlight at the end of it, but where because everyone will be cutting on that line, where you've got lots of different size options, highlight, highlight, highlight.